The answer is both yes and no. There's no surprise because the rate action, which is 25 basis point hike both in repo as well as reverse repo rate, is largely in line with the market expectations. But there is a bit of surprise. For the first time possibly in many quarters, Reserve Bank of India has committed itself not to hike rates in the near future. It says the possibility of a rate hike in immediate future is less. So that has taken the market quite a surprise. It's a positive surprise. Well, I would think not. I think if we read it carefully, RBI's version, it's saying in immediate future, and I would think this immediate future is till December, because RBI's mid-quarterly review falls in December. So I would think that unless there is a hugely adverse scenario in the global economic scenario and in the domestic market, there would not be any rate hike in December. But in January, when it meets for the quarterly review, I would not rule out the possibility of another dose of hike. Yeah, there are two other critical points which we should mention. In the credit policy, RBI has looked at the booming mortgage market. He has taken a series of measures like increasing the risk weight, increasing provisioning requirement, and also capping the loan-to-value ratio. To contain any kind of asset bubble that might happen in the real estate market, particularly in the context of quantitative easing that is likely to be announced by US Federal Reserve over the next 2 days. That's one part. And secondly, RBI shows its concern about scarce liquidity in the system and made a very emphatic statement that it will take care of the liquidity requirement in the system. So that's a big positive for the market.